Unlock the power of AI. Create 700 YouTube shorts in just 18 minutes without showing your face. Hey there, fellow content creators. I've got something incredible to share with you today. Imagine creating a faceless YouTube channel that not only generates passive income, but does it almost entirely on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. I recently stumbled upon a channel that's absolutely crushing it with riddle and quiz-based shorts. They're pulling in over $35,000 a month! And the best part? It's all done using AI automation. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this success, step by step. Let's kick things off with the heart of our content, riddles. We're going to use ChatGPT, our AI buddy, to generate a ton of high-quality riddles in no time. First, head over to ChatGPT and let's craft the perfect prompt. Here's what I use. Generate 10 engaging riddles. Each riddle should be 2-3 sentences long, followed by the answer. Format it like this. Riddle. Insert riddle here. Answer. Insert answer here. Hit send, and watch the magic happen. ChatGPT will spit out 10 awesome riddles, but we're not stopping there. Repeat this process until you've got a collection of 300 riddles. Trust me, it won't take as long as you think. Now that we've got our riddles, it's time to turn them into eye-catching shorts. For this, we'll be using Canva, a powerhouse for graphic design. First, let's set up our video template. I've created a custom background with some subtle animations to keep things interesting. The key is to make it visually appealing without distracting from the riddle itself. Next, we'll add text boxes for our riddles and answers. I like to use a bold, easy-to-read font for the riddle and a slightly different style for the answer. Remember, we want viewers to have time to think about the riddle before seeing the answer. So let's set up our animations accordingly. Here's a pro tip. Use Canva's timer feature to ensure each element appears at just the right moment. I usually give about 7 seconds for the riddle to be read, then 3 seconds for the answer to appear. Now here's where the real magic happens. We're going to use Canva's bulk create feature to generate 30 unique shorts at once. Yes, you heard that right, 30 at a time. First, organize all your riddles in a Google Sheet. Make sure you have separate columns for the riddle and the answer. Then in Canva, connect your Google Sheet to your template. Canva will automatically populate your template with the data from your sheet. With everything set up, hit that bulk create button and watch in awe as Canva churns out 30 perfectly formatted shorts in mere minutes. Once they're done, download the batch and you're ready for the next step. Now that we have our content, let's set up our faceless YouTube channel. Choose a catchy name that hints at the riddle content and use an AI-generated logo if you want to keep things completely hands-off. Here's another place where ChatGPT comes in handy. We can use it to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for our videos. Just prompt it with something like, generate 10 catchy, SEO-optimized titles for YouTube shorts featuring riddles. Also, provide a brief description and relevant tags for each. With all this prepared, it's time to upload our shorts. YouTube Studio allows bulk uploads, so you can get all 700 of your shorts queued up in no time. Set your publishing schedule and you're good to go. And there you have it, folks! We've just created 700 YouTube shorts in under 18 minutes, set up a faceless channel, and put everything on autopilot. This strategy has the potential to generate serious income, just like the channel I mentioned earlier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating and automating!